Welcome to Happy Homes viewers. The studio apartment which I'm going to show you today will give you a 20,000 rupees plus rental income, and I also have 5 unavoidable reasons to choose this rental income property over any property. So there are a lot to hear then to see. So first I will quickly show you this house, and then I'll tell you this 5 important reasons to choose this property. Come with me. This is the super compact studio apartment which you are going to see. To access this apartment, we have 2 lifts. The one that which we came through. There is one more lift which is right there in front of me, and you also have a staircase to access in case of any emergencies. So come, I'll show you this one first. So we are inside the studio apartment. So as the name studio apartment, you don't have separate bedrooms and things like that. So you have one common space. It can be a bedroom, it can be a living space, and then you have a kitchen place here, the designated kitchen place, and next to the kitchen place there is a attached toilet bathroom. So this is how you get when you buy this studio apartment, but it is up to you to make this beautiful or to have full customization. The interiors can be done as per your interest, as per your idea. So that's totally up to you. So just to have a visual of how you can use or utilize this available space, you can have a bed here. A bed for 2 people can be comfortably placed here, and next to the bed you can put one sofa here, and then you can have a 2-seater dining here, a small table to sit and have your food, and then here is the place meant for your kitchen. I will come to it later, and next to the kitchen I said already, and you can have your refrigerator, a small refrigerator can sit comfortably here, and then washing machine also can go there. So this is the place designated for your kitchen. The slab, which it's a pretty basic setup they have done, but as I've said that you can have your modular kitchen just above this one. All the storage things, oil and provisional item, anything can go up there, and you can have also a modular setup here as well. So this 2 plus 1 and 2, you can have all the setup, and this slab can also be reduced a little here, and you can place your refrigerator without disturbing or without occupying the living space. So as I mentioned just now, you can have your washing machine in this corner because there is a water outlet here, it goes through it, and drying clothes can be done there. So this is comfortable for 1 at a max 2 people, this studio apartment, and for the one who wanted to stay inside the city without losing the other facilities which the gated community provides. If you are someone still thinking like, yeah, I really understand, and this is definitely a wow factor to have a studio apartment in Egmore, Chennai, but still if you are still thinking like kind of this place is still small, I would like prefer 1 bedroom for little extra privacy type of thing, and yes, okay with spending little extra or double the cost, you still can buy 2 studio apartments side by side, and you can have a door to access in this place. I mean, you can cut open this and you can have a door here, and you can convert that studio apartment into 1 or 2 bedroom, and so that you will have 1 common entrance or 2 common entrance. That can be that is definitely possible. So for people who are still thinking that this is still small, I would definitely need this to be a 2 bedroom, and I would spend double the cost, you can buy this to have the door open, and then you can convert that into a 1 or 2 bedroom. So you will have privacy there, and you will have a common place here. So that is definitely possible. As I have mentioned in at the very beginning of the video, there are 5 important reasons to choose this property over anything for the rental income or your own stay. Number 1, the location. This is in Chennai, and here we are in Egmore. The second important point is the price of this studio apartment, which is 35 lakhs plus registration. Third important point, this low budget studio apartment gives you 20,000 plus rental income. Owners here already rented out their apartments for 20,000 or above. The fourth important point is the builder's reputation, and he is a very famous builder in India, and he is famous for multiple things, and the name will boost up the confidence among buyers. So it's very simple. You just call the number which is displayed on the screen. We'll tell you who's that. Just wanted to keep that surprise element. We kept that name as like secret. So it's simple. Just call the number. And if there is anything else you wanted to know, you can simply call. And these are the things that we felt that it is there, and value for money and everything, return on investment, everything is there. But we definitely appreciate, and we definitely encourage you to come here and to see everything yourself. You can make your own inquiry and you can make your final decision on your own. The fifth most important point is there is no brokerage involved in this property. So if you plan to buy this property, you need not to pay any single rupee to anybody as a brokerage fee. All you need to do is just call up this number. If there is any questions that you wanted to ask, you can just call the number and ask, or you can plan your comfortable site visit to come here and to know everything on your own. Then with all the information that you gather, you can make your final decision. So that's it for this video. As always, Happy Homes brings you the homes that you love to buy, or the property that you love to buy. So keep watching, do share this with your friends, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. Till then, be safe. Bye.